My biggest money maker is called IP, intellectual property. Zero investment. So when I create that cash flow game, it's intellectual property. It's patented. It's in 50 different languages. Every quarter they send me a check. Zero investment into it. When I write a book, like this book here, I think I make about $600,000 a month just from royalties coming off this book. Because I sell the book to a book publishing company, and they send me a check every month, every quarter. When I write a new book, like Who Stole My Pension, more money comes in. But it came out of my head. It's not real property, it's intellectual property. And all of you as entrepreneurs have that intellectual property in your head. But as my rich dad said to me, he says, you got this head, use it. Or as Einstein says, imagination is more important than knowledge.